Good afternoon, classmate. I am reporter number 1. Mark works as an office clerk at a small company in Taguig. He earns a monthly salary of 22,000 pesos. This month, the work of 20 regular days and render 20 hours, 4 hours of overtime, paid at 125%. He also received a 1,000 pesos rice allowance, non-taxable. Events. Monthly salary, 22,000. Working days this month, 20 days. Overtime rendered, 4 hours. Non-taxable rice allowance, 1,000. And this is a question number 1. Commute marks daily and hourly rate. Daily rate is 22,000 divided 20 is equal to 100, 1,000. Ay, 1,100 pesos. And hourly rate is 1,100 divided 8 is equal to 137.5. And number 2, compute is SSS, PL, and Pag-ibig. SSS is equal 0.05 times 22,000 is equal 1,100. And PL 0.025 times 22,000 is equal 550. Pag-ibig equals 0.02 times 22,000 is equal 440, but max is 200. Number 3, compute is overtime pay. Overtime equal 137.5 times 1.25 times 4 is equal 687.5 pesos. Number 4, compute is gross pay. Gross pay, 22,000 plus 687.5 times 1,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 23,687.5. Compute is taxable income. Allowance equal to 1,000. SSS equal to 1,100. PhilHealth is equal to 550. Pag-ibig is equal to 200. So, the total of 2,850. Compute is total deduction and net pay, no withholding tax due to low income. Net pay, 23,687.5 minus 2,850 is equal to 20,837.5.